Are you making these common digital marketing mistakes? Let's start at the beginning. One of the most fundamental errors that businesses make is diving headfirst into digital marketing without a clear goal or strategy. Imagine setting out on a journey without a destination in mind. You might have a great car, a full tank of gas, but where are you going? Without a clear destination, you'll end up driving in circles, wasting time, energy, and resources. Similarly, without a clear goal or strategy for your digital marketing, you're essentially wandering aimlessly in the vast digital landscape. That's where SMART goals come into play. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These aren't just catchy buzzwords, they're a framework to help you set effective goals. Let's break it down. Specific means your goal is well-defined. Instead of saying, I want more website traffic, say, I want to increase website traffic by 20% in the next 3 months. Measurable means you have a way to track progress. Achievable means it's something within your grasp. Relevant means it aligns with your broader business goals. And time-bound means it has a deadline. When you set SMART goals, you give your digital marketing efforts a clear direction. You know exactly what you're aiming for, and can measure your progress along the way. But here's the catch. Goals are only half the equation. You also need a strategy, a plan of action for how you're going to achieve those goals. Without a strategy, your goals are just wishes. A strategy helps you determine the best ways to reach your audience, the kind of content you need to produce, the channels you should focus on, and the metrics you need to track. It provides a roadmap for your digital marketing efforts, ensuring that every step you take is a step towards achieving your goals. The consequences of not having a clear goal or strategy can be severe. You could end up wasting valuable resources, missing out on opportunities, and ultimately failing to achieve your business objectives. Remember, a goal without a strategy is just a wish. So take the time to set clear, SMART goals and develop a robust strategy for your digital marketing. Your business will thank you. Are you focusing on the right metrics? In the world of digital marketing, metrics are the compass that guide our decisions, but not all metrics are created equal. It's like comparing apples and oranges. They're both fruit, but they serve different purposes. So let's talk about the importance of choosing the right metrics to track. Imagine you're sailing across the vast ocean of digital marketing. You wouldn't use a thermometer to navigate, would you? Of course not. You'd use a compass or a GPS. In the same way, we need to use the right metrics to navigate our digital marketing journey. So what makes a metric the right one? Well, the answer lies in your goals. What are you trying to achieve with your digital marketing campaign? Is it increased website traffic, more conversions, greater brand awareness? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can then identify the metrics that align with these goals. For instance, if your goal is to increase website traffic, you'll want to focus on metrics like page views, organic traffic, and bounce rate. Page views tell you how many people are visiting your site. Organic traffic indicates how many are finding you through search engines, and bounce rate shows how many people leave your site after viewing just one page. Collectively, these metrics can give you a holistic view of your website's performance. On the other hand, if your goal is to boost conversions, then metrics like conversion rate, cost per conversion, and return on ad spend might be more relevant. These metrics can provide insights into how effectively your marketing efforts are leading to desired actions, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading a resource. Remember, the key is to focus on metrics that are closely tied to your objectives. Tracking vanity metrics, those that look good on paper but don't really impact your bottom line, can lead you off course. In conclusion, picking the right metrics is like choosing the right tools for a job. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a bolt, right? Similarly, align your metrics with your goals, and you'll be able to steer your digital marketing ship in the right direction. The right metrics can provide valuable insights into your marketing performance, allowing you to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. Are you neglecting mobile optimization? In this digital era, the internet isn't just at our fingertips, it's in our pockets, handbags, and even on our wrists. Mobile devices have become the primary means of accessing the internet for a growing number of people. It's no longer just about making a website look good on a computer screen. It's about making it functional and appealing on a screen that fits in the palm of your hand. Let's talk about mobile-friendly marketing materials. They're not just smaller versions of what you'd see on a desktop. They're designed to be easy to navigate with a thumb or finger. They're meant to load quickly, use less data, and to be clear and concise. The text is easier to read, buttons are larger and easier to click, and the user can find what they're looking for without pinching and zooming. Now let's touch on responsive design. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a design philosophy that ensures your website adjusts to the screen size and orientation of the device it's viewed on. It means your website looks good and functions well whether it's viewed on a desktop, a tablet, or a mobile phone. Then there's image optimization. This is about more than just resizing images. It's about compressing them so they load quicker and use less data. It's about choosing the right format for the right situation. It's about making sure that your images don't slow down your site, especially for mobile users who may be on slower connections or have limited data plans. And finally, there's the content itself. On mobile, less is more. Your content needs to be clear and concise. Mobile users don't have the patience for fluff. They want to get to the point, and they want to get there fast. In the digital age, mobile optimization isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about reaching your audience where they are. And these days they're on their phones, so make sure your digital marketing materials are ready to meet them there. Are you underestimating the power of content marketing? Content marketing is more than just words on a page. It's about creating meaningful connections with your audience through valuable, relevant content. Think of it as the fuel that drives your digital marketing engine. Without it, your engine may sputter and stall. Imagine you're at a party and you strike up a conversation with someone. If all you do is talk about yourself, that person will likely lose interest pretty quickly. But if you engage them, ask about their interests, and provide insightful responses, they'll be more likely to stick around. Content marketing is no different. It's about creating a dialogue with your audience, providing them with valuable information, and showing them that you understand their needs and interests. However, it's not just about churning out content, it's about having a clear strategy and understanding your target audience. Without these, you're essentially throwing darts in the dark, hoping to hit a bullseye. You might strike lucky once or twice, but it's not a sustainable approach. A well-thought-out content strategy involves understanding your audience's needs, creating content that addresses those needs, and delivering it in a way that's engaging and easy to consume. It requires an understanding of your audience's preferences, what they want to read, watch, or listen to, and how they want to consume it. But let's not forget about the quality of your content. In a world where we're bombarded with information, quality truly trumps quantity. High-quality content can help you stand out from the noise, attract more potential customers, and ultimately drive more conversions. It's not just about creating content for content's sake, but about creating content that's valuable, relevant, and engaging. Remember, content is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one audience may not work for another. That's why it's important to constantly test, tweak, and refine your content strategy based on feedback and results. Content is king, but only if it's relevant and engaging. So, don't underestimate the power of content marketing. Instead, harness it to attract, engage, and convert your audience. Are you tracking your digital marketing results? This question is not rhetorical. If you're not tracking your results, then you're essentially navigating the vast ocean of digital marketing blindfolded. Let's delve into why tracking your digital marketing results is crucial. Picture this. You've set sail on your digital marketing journey with a clear goal, a strategic plan, a focus on the right metrics, a mobile-optimized platform, and quality content. But how do you know if you're moving in the right direction? How do you know if your efforts are paying off? The answer is simple: by tracking your results. In the world of digital marketing, data is your compass. It provides valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Are your emails leading to conversions? Is your social media strategy driving traffic to your website? Is your content resonating with your audience? Tracking your results can answer these questions and more. Moreover, tracking is not just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it. It's about understanding the story your data is telling you. For instance, an increase in website traffic may seem like a success story, but if your bounce rate is high, then it's a different story altogether. It might mean that while your strategy is effective in driving traffic, your website or content might not be engaging enough to hold the attention of your visitors. Tracking your results allows you to make data-driven decisions. It illuminates the path to improvement. You can tweak your strategies, optimize your campaigns, and ensure that your efforts are not wasted. It's like a continuous feedback loop, helping you to refine your digital marketing process over time. In essence, tracking results is not just a task to be ticked off your digital marketing checklist. It's an integral part of your journey towards achieving your marketing goals. It's the key to understanding your audience, evaluating your performance, and improving your strategies. So remember this golden rule of digital marketing. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Make tracking your results a priority, and you'll be well on your way to navigating the digital marketing ocean with confidence and success. In the world of digital marketing, engagement is key. You've set your goals, chosen the right metrics, optimized for mobile, created compelling content, and tracked your results. But how are you interacting with your audience? The sixth essential aspect of successful digital marketing is engaging with your audience. Engagement is not just about getting likes on your posts or seeing an increase in website traffic. It's about creating a two-way communication channel with your audience, building relationships, and fostering a sense of community. It's about understanding your audience's needs, wants, and preferences. It's about listening to their feedback and responding to their queries. It's about making them feel valued and appreciated. So, how can you engage with your audience effectively? There are several ways. You can use social media platforms to interact with your audience, respond to their comments, and share user-generated content. You can create interactive content such as quizzes, polls, and contests to drive engagement. You can leverage email marketing to send personalized messages and offers to your subscribers. You can also use live chats and chatbots to provide instant customer service. Remember, engagement is not a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process. It requires consistency, creativity, and a customer-centric mindset. The more you engage with your audience, the more loyal they will become. They will trust your brand, advocate for it, and ultimately contribute to your marketing goals. So, make engagement a cornerstone of your digital marketing strategy. It's not just about broadcasting your message, it's about building meaningful connections with your audience. By now, you've gathered a wealth of knowledge as we've navigated through the dynamic landscape of digital marketing. We've discussed the importance of having clear goals and strategies, selecting the right metrics, the criticality of mobile optimization, the power of content marketing, the necessity to track results, and the significance of engaging with your audience. But what's next? How do you take this knowledge and put it into action? The seventh and final step in this journey is about wrapping up and moving forward. Every digital marketing strategy is a dynamic process that needs constant tweaking and refinement. You've laid the groundwork, and now it's time to take it up a notch. Reflect on your strategy and see how you can improve. Keep up with the latest trends, technology, and practices in the digital marketing sphere. Remember, the digital world is ever evolving, and so should your marketing strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment and innovate. Try new platforms, experiment with different content types, and test new marketing tactics. Keep an eye on your competitors and learn from their successes and failures. Lastly, don't forget the importance of networking. Attend digital marketing events, join online communities, and connect with other professionals in the field. Share your knowledge, learn from others, and build relationships. Remember, the key to successful digital marketing lies in your ability to adapt, innovate, and engage. It's not just about selling a product or service, it's about providing value, building relationships, and creating an unforgettable brand experience. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with digital marketing. Good luck! We've come a long way together, and we hope you found this journey through digital marketing insightful and valuable. If you did, show us your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. We're sure you're eager to keep learning and growing in your digital marketing journey, and we've got a lot more to share. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Our channel is a hub for all things digital marketing, packed with practical tips, insights, and strategies to keep you at the top of your game. Remember, the digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead requires continuous learning and adaptation. We're here to help you navigate this dynamic field, so stay tuned for more informative content. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing you with more valuable insights in the future. Keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with digital marketing.